Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Excel errors. Let's define Excel errors. Excel errors are issues that occur when formulas are not working correctly in an Excel spreadsheet. There are so many types of errors. We have the NA, value not available, name, then the value. Yeah, there are many. Then there is division by 0, and then reference by cell. Yeah, so let's begin. We are going to open our Excel and show you the type of errors. So here, so the first type of error, we are going to see it from here, of these values. If you're to drag your table this, you make it smaller, you're going to find that when you make your table here smaller, you find the when you enlarge it, it comes back, but when you make it smaller, you find that type of error, the error there. That is an error, so we can take back our table. Then another type of error, the next type of error is name, where you're going to do this. Yeah, let's say we want to add this and get that total, so we write equal sign add B2 and C2. Close bracket, and then press enter to give us name. This is another type of error because there is no formula that says equal sign add, so we're supposed to use equal sign then we shall get the value. So this is an error, so we have to correct it. Shall say equal sign sum in bracket B2 and C2, close bracket, enter. There, it has given us the answer. Then if we want to get for all this, we shall just drag this down. There we get the answer. Then our next type of error is value, where you have a text and a figure. Now for example here, let's remove this and put text, maybe a name, yeah, and then let's say we want to subtract B2 minus C2, so we come here and write B2 minus C2. This. So another type of error is hash reference. Yeah, that one is also another type of error that you can talk about. Then this one is hash value between value and a text. Yeah, there's so many other types of errors, but for today these are the ones we have looked at. Thank you so much for watching.